Here we look at paneling the mesh into panels where the panels go across the mesh. We specify that by ticking on the radio button just there. We specify that we want 3 panels. We'll select the mesh, panel the mesh. 2 things happen. One is that in Rhino we can see that the panels are drawn out as we'd expect running across the mesh. The second thing is that Mpanel production has warned us that the shear strain tolerance has been exceeded. It's reporting a shear strain of 7%, and we have set a shear strain warning limit of 5%. So if we knew that our fabric could take a higher shear strain than 5%, perhaps it could take 10%, then we could have specified 10% and we wouldn't have got that warning. Let's say that our fabric could only take 5%. How can we reduce the shear strain? It's very easy. We make more panels. With more panels, more of the shaping occurs in the seams and less of it has to occur in the fabric distortion. So in Rhino I'm going to use the back button to delete all of those panels. Instead of 3 panels, I'm going to specify 4. Select the mesh again, panel the mesh, and this time we're down to 6% shear strain. Once again, I'll back off, and this time I'll specify 6 panels, panel the mesh, and now the mesh is produced with a maximum shear strain of 3%. Of course we have more panels, but by having more panels we have more seams, and that allows most of the shaping of the structure to be made inside of the seams rather than